Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this video, this is part 2 of how to make a professional flyer in Canva. So in part 1 we have opened a flyer document, we have renamed the design, we have add some elements, main subject, and we have changed some colors, we have add some tags also. So today we will continue and we will complete our flyer. So without wasting our time, let's go. Now I'm gonna add again a heading, and this time I'm gonna write price, select, and change the color. If you want to change the font, is also fine. Alright, and this time I'm gonna add a subheading. So in Indonesia, I think the watch price is around 700,000. So let me just now let me add another subheading, and this time I'm gonna put it here in the bottom, but before that I'm gonna choose this color, and I have my wordings already, so I'm going to add my wordings. So my wordings is all products are available for free delivery in logos. Alright, this is just an example. Alright, it's not true. Okay, this is just an example. I'm gonna decrease the size to make it fit. So you have to play around with your colors if the color is not matching, so you can play around with the colors also. Alright, now let me add an important section, which is your website and contact info. Alright, so if anybody is interested, you can call, but to be noted, this is just an example. I'm gonna add a random number. Alright, so let me go to elements. Alright, now I'm done, but I'm gonna add in two more elements to make the flyer complete, to make the flyer look complete. Alright, so I'm gonna go to my elements section and I'm gonna click website icon. Alright, I'm gonna scale it and I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna arrange it here, and I'm gonna add a subheading. And I'm gonna add a call icon, and I'm gonna type a random number. There you go. So now my flyer looks complete. Alright, so this is how to make a flyer in Canva, and that's it for this tutorial. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you do, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do comment. And thank you so much for watching.